Hello everyone. Now we'll discuss indefinite integration LAQ question, that is integration of sin power nx dx for n is greater than or equal to 2. Hence find the integration of sin power 4x dx. This question we can take from Telugu Academy page number 241, theorem 6.4.3. Deepthhi book theorem 6.6.2. So let us take IN. It is an identity. IN is equal to integration of sin power nx dx. Okay, and that is IN is equal to integration of sin power nx dx. We can write as the integration of sin power n minus 1 of x into sin power 1x. This plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So and this one we can consider as the u and v. U and v. What is the integration of uv? Integration of uv dx is equal to u into integration of v dx minus of the integration of d by dx of u into integration of v dx whole dx. So that is IN is equal to sin power n minus 1 of x. This is the u. This is as for the u. This is we are taken as the u, and integration of v dx mean v is the this is the v integration of sin x dx minus d by dx of u. U mean it is a sin power nx n minus 1 of x, and integration of v mean it is a sin x dx and whole dx as per the formula whole dx, and sin power n minus 1 of x as it is. Integration of sin x is the minus cos x minus integration of d by dx of it is we have to consider it is the x power n format. We have to consider it is the x power n minus 1 like that. Okay, x power n meaning d by dx of x power n is d by dx of x power n is n into x to the power of n minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So this is we are taken as the x power n format, mean base x other than x is there, that sin x. The sin x derivative also we have to do it. So derivative of sin x is the cos x, and integration of sin x is the minus cos x. So this minus will come front. Okay, and n minus 1 will coming out from the integration process. Then sin power n minus 2 of x into cos is cos square x, and cos square x we can write as the 1 minus sin square x. Cos square x we can write as 1 minus sin square x. Okay, and multiply sin power n minus 2 of x with 1 minus sin square x, then it will be get as the 1 into sin power n minus 1 of x into dx. Here dx will come. Okay, minus n minus n minus 1 is multiplied with this term also. So the n minus 1 into integration of sin power, this minus 2 plus 2 cancel, only integration of sin power n x dx will remain. So then it is IN is equal to minus of sin power n minus 1 of x into cos x plus n minus 1 into I n minus 2 minus of n minus 1 into n minus in. So this is we can consider as the IN. This is the IN from the equation 1. From the equation 1 we can consider it is the IN. So in the same way this is the IN minus 2. This is IN minus 2. If there is the n, then there is the n. If there is the n minus 2, then it is also n minus 2. That's why we can take this is n minus 2, IN minus 2. Okay, IN minus 2. So that is IN, this term we are taking to the left side. So here IN is there, here IN is there. So this term we are shifting to the left side, IN plus n minus 1 into IN. So that is equal to minus sin power n minus 1 of x into cos x plus n minus 1 I suffix n minus 2. Okay, I suffix n, if we take out the common, then 1 plus n minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel, that is equal right hand side whatever the remain is there. So as it is we wrote it, and IN is equal to the minus this n we got it here. We are sending into the right side. So then it is a minus sin power n minus 1 of x into cos x by n, and n minus 1 by n into I suffix n minus 2. So this is the required proof for the integration of sin power n x. So for this reduction formula will be like this. Okay, and another problem they given here, find the integration of sine power 4x. To find the integration of sine power 4x, okay, integration of sine power 4x, first we have to find the I naught and I1 value, we have to find it. Okay, it is required to find this sine power nx. So let us find the first we can find the I naught mean here I naught, if you I naught is n is equal to 0, you put in the question here n is equal to 0, you put here n is equal to 0. N is equal to 0 mean sine power 0, sine power 0. Sine power 0 mean anything power 0 is the 1 dx. Integration of 1 dx is the x plus c. So I naught is equal to x plus c. Next I'll let n is equal to 1, that is I suffix 1 is equal to the I suffix 1 is equal to integration of sine power 1 x dx. So that is minus cosx dx plus c. So that is I1 is equal to I suffix 1 is equal to the minus cosx plus c. So these values we can substitute in the I4. Let n is equal to 4. I4 is equal to integration of sine power 4x dx. So n is equal to 4, substitute in the theorem obtained. Here you substitute here. N is equal to 4. Here n is equal to 4. N is equal to 4, you substitute here. I4 is equal to minus sine power 4 minus 1 of x into cos x by 4. Okay, plus 4 minus 1 by 4. So that is 3 by 4, and 4 minus 2 is that I2. So see, in the same way I2 value we have to find it. I2 means same here, substitute here. N is equal to 2, you substitute here. N is equal to 2 mean minus of sine power 2 minus 1 of x into cos x by 2. So minus 2 minus 1 is the 1, mean minus sine 3 by 4 into minus sine x cos x by 2 plus 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2, and I 2 minus 2 is 0. I0, I suffix 0, now only we found here. Okay, I suffix 0, now only we found here x plus c. So this is the x plus c. So if you multiply 3 by with the 3 by 4, we'll get the answer. It is like this. So this is the 7 mark question LAQ. Okay, right, thank you.